Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you for watching to this presentation. Let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Sylvia Rahmawati as moderator and speaker, and my partner is Risa, Indri, and Hilma as speaker. Before we start the presentation, let's open this presentation with reading Basmalah together. Baik, sebelum kita mulai presentasi ini, marilah kita baca basmalah bersama-sama. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, thank you so much. Now, please look at the pictures. What do you see in the picture? Family? Yes, great. So, today we will discuss about family in the United States. What is the family? Family is the smallest part of society structure. The nuclear family is also considered a traditional family. The nuclear family consists of the mother, father, and children. As American culture and rules develop, the definition of American family members change. A family can consist of father, mother, and child. Today, the members of an American family can be two father and sons or two mother and sons. Adult women or men who prefer to be alone forever are also considered a family. Americans usually have no more than 3 or 4 children. There are many American families with more than 3 children, but they usually adopt them from different countries. Pets are a family member in American culture. Definition of family in the United States: the family does not only consist of father, mother, and child. There are also families that consist only of mother and child, father and child, or mother and mother plus children, of father and father plus children. Apa itu keluarga? Keluarga adalah bagian terkecil dari struktur masyarakat. Keluarga inti biasanya terdiri dari ibu, ayah, dan anak. Ketika budaya dan aturan Amerika berkembang, definisi anggota keluarga Amerika berubah. Sebuah keluarga bisa terdiri dari ayah, ibu, dan anak. Saat ini, anggota keluarga Amerika dapat terdiri dari 2 ayah dan putra atau 2 ibu dan putra. Wanita atau pria dewasa yang lebih suka menyendiri selamanya juga dianggap sebagai sebuah keluarga. Orang Amerika biasanya memiliki tidak lebih dari 3 atau 4 anak. Ada banyak keluarga Amerika dengan lebih dari 3 anak, tetapi mereka biasanya mengadopsi mereka dari berbagai negara. Hewan peliharaan juga bisa disebut anggota keluarga dalam budaya Amerika. Definisi keluarga di Amerika Serikat tidak hanya terdiri dari ayah, ibu, dan anak. Ada juga keluarga yang hanya terdiri dari ibu dan anak, ayah dan anak, atau ibu dan ibu ditambah anak, atau ayah dan anak plus anak.
B. The type of family in America. 1. Single parent. Single parent is a parent who cares for one or more children without help from other biological parents. Historically, single parent families often result from the death of a partner, for example, during childbirth. Single parents are on the rise because both are declining. Or couple who are not married but have children. Although it is generally believed that detrimental to his mental and physical well-being, this type of household is well tolerated in America. Jadi maksudnya di sini keluarga Amerika itu two step families. Step families are becoming common in America. The divorce rate is increasing and the rate of remarriage is increasing as well. Therefore, bringing two families together makes a new family a common form of this type of family. Statistics show that there are step families that are formed every day. More than half of America family will remarry. 75% of marriage and remarry. 3. Extended family. The extended family consists of grandparents, aunts, uncle, and cousin. In some cases, extended family come to live with the immediate family members. Examples include elder parents living with their children because of old age. This is a huge demand for caregivers, especially girls who choose to do this task for their extended family. Nah, jadi jenis-jenis keluarga di Amerika. Yang pertama itu orang tua tunggal. Orang tua tunggal adalah orang tua yang mengasuh satu atau lebih anak tanpa bantuan orang tua kandung lainnya. Secara histori, ya, keluarga dengan orang tua tunggal seringkali diakibatkan oleh kematian pasangannya. Misalnya saat melahirkan, dia itu kan meninggal, jadi orang tuanya tunggal. Baik, yang kedua itu ada keluarga tiri. Keluarga tiri menjadi hal biasa di Amerika. Tingkat perceraian meningkat dan tingkat pernikahan kembali juga meningkat. Oleh karena itu, menyatukan dua keluarga menjadi keluarga baru sebagai bentuk umum dari jenis keluarga ini. Statistik menunjukkan bahwa ada keluarga tiri yang terbentuk setiap hari. Lebih dari separuh keluarga Amerika yang menikah lagi, yaitu 75% pernikahan berakhir dengan perceraian dan menikah lagi. Yang ketiga, ada keluarga besar. Keluarga besar terdiri dari kakek, nenek, bibi, paman, dan sepupu. Dalam beberapa kasus, keluarga besar datang untuk tinggal bersama anggota keluarga dekat. Contohnya termasuk orang tua lansia yang tinggal bersama anak-anak mereka karena usia tua. Ini adalah permintaan yang sangat besar bagi para pengasuh, terutama anak perempuan yang memilih untuk melakukan tugas ini untuk keluarga besarnya.
The United States. 1. The role of father and mother in the family. The role of a father in a family belonging to the upper class is a financial asset owned by the family. The role of a man is very important in a family because he will be the heir to the business that the family has run for many years. In addition, the role of a woman is very dominant in terms of managing the family. He is like the head of the household who is responsible for everything. Privacy in the family in the United States. In America, almost all who are married choose to live apart from their parents for privacy reasons. Likewise, their parents, many of them choose to live with their children. Nursing homes are not a representation of children who do not want care of their parents because it might be that living in a nursing home is the wish of the parent themselves. On year, all children or even such babies are used to sleeping in their own room. 3. Financial in the family in the United States. Financial children to parent and vice versa in America. When children are born from simple families, they will realize that when they start college, they have to start working to pay for their daily needs. Due to high tuition fees, they realize that they have to be competent to get scholarship. or else they will borrow money from the state for tuition fees that must be reimbursed after they work. 4. Wedding Americans are very often intolerant. Marriage with different family background is a common thing. Marrying between countries, different religion, different culture are no longer taboo. This year, the U.S. government legalized same-sex marriage in all its states. Yet, many American couples choose not to marry. They prefer to have a family without getting married. This is now cohabitation. 5. Culture fills the weekend. The 6th is about the culture of filling weekends by vacationing, sightseeing with family. In America, almost everyone looks forward to a weekend filled with special family events. Hiking, exercising together, picnicking, or just eating are some examples of activities to fill weekend time. Responsible, usually mom and dad or parent in the American family, share the responsibility. Both of them work to support their families. Asking a wife to stay at home does not apply in America. Husbands will feel guilty if they stop their wives from doing what they like. Of course, husbands also realize that emotional and material support from their wives is very important to survive in a country where the living costs quite high. 7. Family habits and tradition. American couples are very romantic. They celebrate their anniversary or wedding anniversary every year. Usually, they will do something special on that day. A positive party is usually held at the time of marriage or at the age 25 or encouraging.
Budaya keluarga di Amerika Serikat. 1. Peran ayah dan ibu dalam keluarga. Peran seorang ayah dalam keluarga yang golongan atas merupakan aset finansial yang dimiliki keluarga. Peran perempuan sangat dominan dalam hal mengurus keluarga. Dia seperti kepala rumah tangga yang bertanggung jawab atas segala sesuatu di rumah. 2. Privasi dalam keluarga di Amerika Serikat. Di Amerika, hampir semua yang sudah menikah memilih untuk hidup terpisah dari orang tua karena alasan privasi. 3. Keuangan dalam keluarga di Amerika Serikat. Keuangan anak kepada orang tua dan sebaliknya. Di Amerika, ketika anak-anak lahir dari keluarga sederhana, mereka akan menyadari bahwa ketika mulai kuliah, mereka harus mulai bekerja untuk memenuhi kebutuhan sehari-hari. 3. Pernikahan. Orang Amerika sangat terbuka dan toleran. Pernikahan dengan latar belakang pasangan yang berbeda merupakan hal yang lumrah. Pernikahan antar negara, beda agama, beda budaya bukan lagi hal yang tabu. 5. Budaya mengisi akhir pekan. 6. Tentang budaya mengisi akhir pekan dengan berlibur atau jalan-jalan bersama keluarga. Di Amerika, hampir semua orang menantikan akhir pekan yang diisi dengan acara khusus keluarga. 6. Bertanggung jawab. Biasanya ibu dan ayah atau orang tua dalam keluarga Amerika berbagi tanggung jawab. Keduanya bekerja untuk menghidupi keluarganya. 7. Kebiasaan dan tradisi keluarga. Pasangan Amerika sangat romantis. Mereka merayakan hari jadi atau ulang tahun pada hari itu.